Hello students, today we are doing examples part 2 profit and loss. Now see, first example is a worker bought 2 dozens oranges at rupees 24 and sold each orange at rupees 3 per dozen per piece. In this transaction, how much profit or loss occur? So first of all you have to find out what is CP. CP is equal to 24 rupees. That is per dozen, so no need to change anything. Okay, now here SP is equal to 3 rupees per piece. Now you should know that what is meant by 1 dozen is equal to 12 piece. Okay, now here 24, here 24 means here 2 dozen, sorry, here how many dozens? 2 dozen. 2 dozen means 24, so 24 into how many rupees per piece? 3. So that is called how much? 24 into 3, not 12 into 3. Okay. 24 into 3 is 72. Here also 1 dozen's rate is 24, but he has purchased 2 dozens. So what is the CP? CP is equal to 48. Why I have taken 2? Because here it is written 2 dozens. So 1 dozen cost at 24. Okay, 24 rupees per dozen. So 24 into 2, 48, and here 1 piece 3 rupees. 1 piece means 2 dozens. How many piece? 1 dozen is equal to 12 piece. So 2 dozens is equal to how many piece? 12 into 2 is equal to 24 piece. This 24 is equal to pieces and this 3 is rupees. So 24 3 is 72. So CP we have got and SP we have got. Now what he has said, profit or loss. How much profit will occur? So because SP is greater than CP. So profit is equal to SP minus CP. Right? SP is equal to 72, here 48 is equal to 24 rupees. This is profit, right? Now see, if he has said profit percentage, so profit percentage is equal to 24 into 100 divided by what is 48. Okay, now 24, 12 2 ja 24, 12 4 ja 48, 12 2 ja, sorry, I'm writing wrong, 12 2 ja 12 4 ja and 25 4 ja 100. Okay, is equal to 50% profit. Understood? So 24 2 ja also you can do here, 12 table do or whatever. 24 2 ja also 10 48. So 52 ja directly you can also do. Okay. So this way you can get the answer here, but question is only up to profit. So our answer is up to here only. This I have done extra. Right? Okay. Now next example. Now see, second example is Pratik purchased an old house at rupees 2 lakh and he paid 50,000 for repairing. Now he wants to sell it to get 20% profit on it. Find the selling price or SP. Now first of all, what is CP? CP is equal to 2 lakh. Right? Now additional expense, repairing 50,000. Now what is you will get? If you add CP plus A, you will get NP. NP is equal to 2,50,000. Okay. So this is the NP. Now he wants 20% profit. And what is selling price? Right. Now what is selling price? For selling price, you have to write the formula. SP is equal to 100 plus profit percentage upon 100 into CP or NP. But here it is NP, so I will write CP, sorry, NP, right? So here I will write NP. Right? Profit percentage upon 100, right? And into NP. Now what is 100? 100 already given. 100. Why I have taken 100? Because it had profit percentage. Plus how many percentage he wants? 20%. Right? Upon 100 into NP is equal to 2,50,000. Now 100 plus 20 means 120 upon 100 into 254 times 0, 2,50,000. Now just you have to cancel the zeros. 1 0 1 0, another 0, another 0. Now multiply 25 into 12. What is 300? I think 25 2 ja 50 and 25 1 ja 250. 100 300. Okay, so 300 multiply of 25 and 12. How many zeros are left? 1 2 3. So 1 2 3. So what is the SP? This is SP is rupees 3 lakh. This formula you have to remember remember properly. Whenever in question itself give to given percentage, then and only you can use this formula. I have made the short of these four formulas. SP when profit percentage is there and loss percentage is there, CP when profit percentage is there, and CP when loss percentage is there, given in the question. क्वेश्चन में जब दिया है इस तरह से परसेंटेज मेंशन करके दिया है, तब आपको एसपी फाइंड करना है। तो 100 प्लस प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज अपॉन 100 इंटू एनपी और सीपी वट एवर यू हैव टू राइट, देन ओनली सिंपल सॉल्यूशन। और यू कैन डायरेक्ट ऐड ऑल्सो प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज प्लस 100 करके डायरेक्ट भी 120 भी लिख सकते हैं। ओके, सो दिस वे यू हैव टू फाइंड द सॉल्यूशन, बट फॉर्मूला इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर शॉर्ट की। You can do this sum for long method, then you have to write 100 to 20, then 250 to the how much, then you will get 50,000. Then you have to add SP is equal to CP plus profit. So CP is 250,000 plus you will get profit 20, that is 250,000. Then you will get the answer 3 lakh. Okay, that is long method, but here you can directly get the answer. Now we'll go for next example. Now next example is a tradesman sells a table at rupees 480 and gets 20% gain. Find the CP. So here what is given? SP is given 480 and profit percentage is given 20%. So here also, like previous example, you have to use the formula for shortcut. So CP is equal to, here it is changed 100 upon 100 plus profit percentage into SP here. Okay, there it was CP because in question it was asked to find SP. Here it is asked to find CP. Then you have to write CP. The formula is little bit changed. It will come up and down, and here SP CP, right? So 100 upon 100 plus profit percentage. 100 plus profit percentage, how much? 20. 20 into SP is equal to 480, right? Now 100 upon 120 into 480. Okay, 124 ja directly, 12 4 ja 48. So 124 ja you can directly cut. Then here 100 into 4, 400. This is direct answer. Okay, otherwise what you have to do is set profit 100 to 20, then 408 to how much? Right now. So 480 into 20 upon 100, 96 or something, blah blah blah. So, or one more method is there, that 100 profit 100, that percentage chapter I have given that profit is 100% 20%, so 120 is 120. So SP is equal and CP 120 SP, then CP what is 100 because we have taken 100. Here SP 148, then how much? So 480 into 100 upon 120. Okay, 124 so 400. This way also you can get the answer. There are so many methods, but this formula is very important, right? So you can do this way. That is my suggestion. Okay, now one more example. Now see, the fourth example is an old book was sold at rupees 64 and 20% loss occurred. Find CP. Here what happened? Loss occur. So first of all, what is SP? Sold means SP. Sold is equal to SP is equal to 64 and loss is equal to 20 percentage. Here also you have to use that formula, that CP is equal to 100 upon 100 minus loss percentage. Okay, when loss is given, you have to subtract because loss is minus into SP. 100 minus loss percent means how much percent? How many percentage? 20 into what is SP? This is SP 64, right? So now what we'll do? 100 upon 100 minus 20 is equal to 80 into 64. Now 10 you have to cancel. Now 8 into 64, 8 8 ja 64, 8 8 also cancelled. Now 10 8 ja 80. So what is the CP of this old book? 80 rupees only. Okay, so this way you can get the answer and you can do the solution. So you remember this formula, they are very important and they are very easy. Only just simple changes are there when CP is there and SP is there. So thank you for watching this video. Now we'll meet in another video for same chapter part 3. Thank you very much.